Okay, so it looks like I got everything fixed on this. Turns out that it was probably an evaporator problem that was causing my major leak, and I got that replaced, and I also replaced my high pressure line. Well, in fact, I replaced all of my AC lines, but I think primarily it was my high pressure line straight back towards there. As you can see in the previous photographs in the blog, there was a repair job that had been done on it, not done very well at all, and at that point might as well just go ahead and replace all the lines. Plus, on my suction line coming off the accumulator, it looked like there was a nick in that one too, so I just went ahead and replaced everything. 31-year-old, 32-year-old hoses, you know, they're just not going to hold up. So anyways, replaced all of those, and I'm ready now to pull a vacuum on this again. I've got blue hooked up to the low side, red hooked up to the high side. I did go to Harbor Freight and pick up a different pump that actually works really well. This little thing right here is pretty darn cool. So got that all hooked up. I got my suction line going off my gauges, going straight to that. I got my manifold right up here. And let's go ahead and turn this thing on. And we'll go ahead and open the gauges here. And we'll watch the compound gauge on the left right here. So I open this up. There it goes. Doing much better than before. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this for quite some time now, probably about a good 10-15 minutes, get all the moisture out of the system, and we should be all set to go. Okay, so pulled a vacuum on it, and my gauge is a little bit off right here. It's not a matter of the pump not being able to pull it down to 30, but it's rather the gauge is off by about 2. So it's actually right at 2, or right at 30 rather, fully vacuumed. So system's good, system's holding. It is not moving at all. It's been like this for about the last 15-20 minutes. I actually did it overnight before this video too, and it held the whole night right at, well, it would be 30 if the gauge were working correctly. So everything's solid. System is tight and ready to go.